In this quick video, I'll show you how to change Facebook name on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers. Changing name on Facebook is really easy. For that we need to open Facebook app in our iPhone. Once we open it, it will load the app, and now we need to click on menu from bottom right corner. Once we click on it, and now we need to click on this gear icon from top, which is settings. We need to open settings. Once we are in settings, here we need to click on personal and account information. Click here and then it will give us our name, which is LearnLite Express. In my case, I want to change this name. For that we need to click here. After that it will show us this page. From this page we can change our name. So in case you want to change your first name, then just click here. After that adjust the name or rename your name according to you. I want to change my name to this. But make sure that if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. And also don't add any unusual capitalization, punctuation, characters or random words. Make sure you really want to change your name. Once you are happy with your name, then tap on review change to review your name, and then Facebook will give you two options from your name. So you can choose anyone from these two options. After that we need to enter our Facebook password to save our name, and then your Facebook name will be changed once you enter your password. So this is how you can change your name. Now if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel and also like this video. For now, thanks for watching.